Hi, I'm Michael Rickberg, Vice President of Product Management for GreenBytes. I'm here to talk about what we do for our desktop virtualization problem that's going on in the industry right now. Fundamentally, being able to help the storage footprint decrease, the ability for us to increase the performance of the desktop performance that our users are expecting, especially for people who are trying to implement a persistent desktop. So we're able to do that in a fraction of the space that's required right now that normally would be used for making up for the speed deficits that normal spinning media has. We use SSDs to optimize this, but our special sauce is an inline, real-time deduplication mechanism that allows us to use extremely small amounts of SSD storage and increase the virtual amount of storage that those VDI instances require, especially for the persistent user instances. Over here on our console, I will show you an example of just how small an amount of physical space we require versus what we represent to the VDI and VM infrastructure as being available. The resulting savings for storage in the use cases that are persistent is extremely high ROI, and this is really where our software shines, because we do not add any infrastructure to the server. We don't add any infrastructure in terms of software or RAM or requirements in each server. As a result, our storage array, which is a physical system, which is called our IO offload engine, is capable of expanding just by adding simply additional disk drives to the array, or we also offer a virtual instance of this, or a VSA, a virtual storage appliance, and that virtual storage appliance called our VIO, or Virtual IO Offload Engine, is capable of taking the same value of inline deduplication, running that on one of the compute nodes, and servicing an array of servers. So in net, what we are enabling our customers to do is add a storage target that is capable of operating in a very small amount of physical equipment and representing a capability of storing a massive number of servers for a lot of people who now need to service either pooled or persistent virtual desktops. So with that, thank you and taking interest in GreenBytes.